And the race is on, now showing from the outside Hepburn. And Oncho down on the inside Manly. Yes, sir. I'm yours. Running in fifth, running six. Robin Good, Amarosa, Tora, Bahrain is the early trailer. Hepburn by some two lengths now showing in second. Manly is racing in third by Darrell. And Honcho racing in fourth by some two lengths. Yes, sir. I'm yours alongside Robin Good, Tora, Sura, Amaro, Saburain, and Hakuna Matata. Rounding the far turn, Hepburn now showing Manly, head on in the middle, Robin Good alongside. Yes, sir, I'm yours down on the inside. As they race the final corner, Manly running by the rail alongside head on Hepburn in between runners. Now showing Robin Good is on the outside and nearing the finish line. Manly Hepburn now showing Robin Good is on the outside, but still Hepburn and Robin Good from the outside. Manly and finally Hepburn. Second close. Manly Robin Good now showing head on to Yes Sir, I'm Yours.